Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Okay, so today we are going to be setting up a patio heater by a company called East Oak. We're going to show you how to install it and how all the little functions and details of it, so that way you can make a decision on whether this is perfect for your patio or backyard. So let's go ahead and get installing now. So the install was pretty easy, minus the blue film that covered basically the reflectors. It took probably just as long to remove the blue plastic as it did to install the whole heater. So that would be my only complaint about the product itself and the install. But other than that, just the instructions were very clear and it was easy to follow. And it probably took me a total of 25 minutes to get everything hooked up and assembled. Okay, let's also go over some of the features. The hooks that you see on the bottom of the device, those are to anchor it down if you wish to use those. If you don't really have to install them. You can weight it down other ways. In addition to that, it has an anti-rust coating, which is great for outdoors. It also has an Intertech rating as far as safety. And then the reflector on high mode, it will throw this heat about 18 feet. So it has a nice wide range. And of course, the propane tank itself fits nice and easily, and it fits a 20-pound propane tank. When you're installing the propane tank, it also does have some straps, and then it has some safety features built into it. So it has an anti-tip auto off function. So if the heater angles more than 45%, it will shut off so you don't have an accidental fire if it falls over. It also has a built in where it will go off if the gas turns off. So if the flame goes out for some reason, it does have that carbon monoxide protection, which is really nice. Now at the top, it's got a one-touch ignition button, and it is super easy to ignite. Simply, you just have to move it over to the high and push it down, and when you press the little button, you'll hear some clicks and it lights up, and then move it to the high or low setting. So it is super easy to light. It also has the wheels on the bottom, which make it easy to move around your patio and get it into the perfect position. I also like the fact that the case that hides the propane tank, it also acts as a nice little shelf. So if you're using this in a bar element or restaurant or patio, it makes a nice little place to set your drink while you're socializing, which is just a nice little extra bonus feature. It does have a double layer stainless steel mesh at the top for heating, which keeps it from deforming under the heat, and it does throw out the heat quite a bit, so that is really, really nice. It also comes in 4 colors. It comes in a chocolate coffee, a light hazel, a kind of charcoal color, which this is, and then a silvery color also. But overall, I'm very happy with it. If you are looking for a patio heater for your personal patio, or if you have a restaurant or a bar or something like that, this is a great product. Like I said, it was easy to install minus the plastic wrap, and it works very, very well. That is basically it. So if there's something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section, as I do typically respond to those. And be sure to check out the link also in the description. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.